Hello. Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, we're going shopping. Now, if you're new here and haven't followed this Facebook page or subscribed to our YouTube channel, don't forget to tap the follow button on Facebook and or the subscribe button on our YouTube channel to see more MCPL content. We bring you interesting tech videos every Wednesday and Friday at 1. For any of the shopping apps that we cover in our shopping apps series, there will be personal information that you'll have to provide to complete a purchase. Almost all of these brands will ask for a shipping address, billing address, and financial information, be that your credit, debit, or PayPal account information. If giving your personal information to an app concerns you, then I'd find other avenues for shopping online or not at all. To start our shopping series, we looked around the eBay, Etsy, and Mercari apps. Today, we're shopping smarter for better living with AliExpress. So keep an eye out for videos exploring Walmart, Shein, Target, Amazon, and more. So let's get started. AliExpress is an online retail service based in China and owned by the Alibaba Group. So launched in 2010, it's made up of small businesses in China and other locations, such as Singapore, that offer products to international online buyers. Buyers on AliExpress have access to a choice of 100 plus million products. You can find just about anything you wish for among their large product selection. The AliExpress app opens to your home screen. This is a space to find your next best thing. Across the top is your search bar, where you can type literally anything that you're looking for. And then below the search are buttons for different locations on AliExpress. And then there's your toolbar at the bottom to switch between your home view, feed, messages, cart, and account. The feed is like the social media aspect of AliExpress. It's a place where customers around the world can share life experiences, participate in discussions, and share feedback about products and services. This gives you a great glimpse into what others are buying and how they like their purchases. In messages, check your order status, look at promotions to get deals on items you've added to your wish list or from shops that you've previously purchased from. And in activity, take a survey or two to help AliExpress customer service features. Now in your toolbar are also the cart and account. Your cart is self-explanatory, so we'll skip that for now and head on to our account. At the top of your account page are 4 lists that keep track of specific items you manage, like items you've wished for, stores and personalities you're following, your viewing list sorted by date, and any coupons that you've collected from AliExpress and sellers. Your account, like all shopping apps, helps you keep track of what you love, what you've bought, and what you're going to buy. AliExpress breaks down what you've bought into helpful sections of unpaid, to be shipped, to be reviewed, and in dispute. This helps keep your purchases organized so you can keep track of them a lot easier. You also have options for your wallet to keep all of your payment options ready and updated. Then there's a shipping address where you can preload any of the addresses that you use. So speaking of shipping, let's find something to buy. Back in our home tab, we can start our shopping spree from the search bar or from the items that catch our eye in the feed. If you have something specific to search for, type your keywords in the search bar and then tap your enter button to start the query. So your search results are sorted by best match by default, but you can change it to any of the other options in the dropdown. Now we all know our go-to is price low to high, no shame there. On the right side of the screen, you'll have your view toggle and your filter button. Filter options can help you reduce your results to find what you're looking for faster. Now when you find a listing you're interested in, you can see some information before tapping on the item to go to its details page. There's the picture of the item, a descriptive title, the lowest price option, shipping information, and a star rating linked to customer reviews and the number sold. Now if you want a quick look into an item, all you have to do is tap on the 3 buttons on the right corner of the item where you can see more available images, or add that item to your wish list by tapping the heart in the bottom center. So if we want to view more information about one of these items, what we'll do is tap on it. So let's tap on this one. Now, an items detail page is where you can get the most information about the product. Here we'll see the price range, shipping details, material, color, and any other specifications that we choose from, if any, and then customer reviews. If you continue to scroll, you'll run into the full description, which is these large pictures. And then the recommended items. Now, one of the important pieces here is the shipping information. Items from AliExpress are shipping from all over the world, usually the US, China, and Turkey, depending on the item. You will not get these items quickly. This item says the soonest you'd receive it is the 17th of April. So sometimes items deliver sooner, sometimes as early as 2 weeks, but it really depends on the customs process. You can always check out reviews to see if other customers have received their items quickly, but it'll vary depending on where you live. So I like to order like a bunch of items just so I can have presents randomly showing up to my house weeks or months after ordering them because I forgot all about them. It's better than receiving bills or grocery store ads, in my opinion. Anyway, all that to say, save yourself some frustration by always checking the estimated delivery date. You'll want to check out the reviews like we have here. We're going to tap on reviews. And then you can filter them by country. There aren't any from any Americans yet, but we'll just look at the ones that are available. So don't forget, AliExpress ships all over the world, and the reviews reflect that characteristic. I try to always look at the pictures because it gives you a better idea of the color, the size, and the conditions of the item. Now at the bottom of the screen, we have the storefront, add to cart, and buy now options. Store will take you to the seller's page where you can check out more of their products to see if you want to buy anything else or find something that you may like more. Okay, so the add to cart will let you save the items you'd like to buy by adding them to your shopping cart while you continue shopping. So when you're ready, you would check out and pay for multiple items all in one go. Now, buy it now will let you complete the purchase quickly without the item going into your cart. You're under no obligation to buy the items that you've added to your shopping cart or to your wish list, but keep in mind that items in your cart can still be bought by other members until you've checked out. Stores do run out of stock sometimes, so AliExpress will gray that item out and only allow you to remove it from your cart or your wish list. But usually you can always find an equivalent item at another shop or back in that same shop but a different color, or look in your recommended items for that product. Now, if you're not ready to do anything but want to keep an eye on this item, what you can do is tap the heart in the bottom right hand corner of the image to add it to your wish list. Items in your wish list, just like in your cart, can sometimes become available, so you'll want to check back periodically to clean up your wish list and replace those items if you need be. You will go to your account to check out your wish list. Now, so we found what we wanted to buy, so we're going to add this to cart. And what it'll do is it'll take me to the specification pages so I can pick out the options for the item. So I have an iPhone 8 Plus, and then I can choose between the colors that are in the color section, how many I want, and then it'll tell me if there's a shipping fee. So this is 73 cents for shipping. Now these little color pictures are pretty tiny, so if you tap on the largest picture in the upper left-hand corner, it'll go full screen to where you can then scroll through the images to see them a lot larger. And it'll tell you the name of that specific color scheme at the bottom center. I think I like 6, so we're going to tap Done. It's highlighted style 6, and then continue. All right, so get to your cart. You're going to tap the cart icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. We currently have 4 items in our cart. So items in your cart are sorted by store, so that all the items from one seller are in a group. You'll tap the selection bubbles to choose what you want, And if you want all of the items from one store, you can tap the circle to the left of the store name, and it'll highlight everything that you have in your cart from that specific seller. So once you tap the selections you want and you keep track of your total in the bottom right hand corner, that's next to the red checkout button, you'll tap checkout and then enter your shipping and payment information and then place your order. Now you can usually pay with a Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Once you've completed the purchasing process, you can track your item once it's shipped in the shipping section here under orders of your account. Now, any questions about your order can be directed to your seller by going to your messages. Usually they'll message you first to say thank you for your purchase. Now, whether you're interested in watches, phone cases, wigs, eyelashes, trendy items, coats, shoes, shirts, and more, you'll find just what you're looking for on AliExpress. Have a good day. And we want to thank you for watching. Follow us to find more videos just like this. Our page on Facebook is MCPL 360, and if you miss us on Facebook, you'll still find these same videos on our YouTube channel at MCPL Mo. Find our consumer technology playlist. Have a good day.